back, viewers. In a big relief for the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar, the Prevention of Benami Property Transaction Appellate Tribunal has cleared him and his family of the allegations of Benami property ownership. The order was passed a day after he was sworn in as the Deputy Chief Minister of the Mahayuti government. Now, the tribunal said that there was no substantial evidence to suggest that Ajit Pawar or his family had transferred funds to acquire Benami properties. The tribunal said that all transactions made in his regard were through legitimate channels, and after the order, the Income Tax Department also cleared properties worth over 1,000 crore that were sealed in searches by the agency earlier. Let's remind you that this case dates back to October 2021 when the Income Tax Department had raided several locations linked to Ajit Pawar's family. It was alleged back then that these properties were held by Ajit Pawar's family through Benami transactions. Bhavtosh, my colleague, joining us live on the broadcast. Bhavtosh, coming to you first before wading into the politics. Apologies, and the fallout of the same. Help us understand, first of all, what the case exactly was all about and the relief which has now come the Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister and his family's way.
Well, these searches started when Ajit Pawar was the Deputy Chief Minister, and the searches covered many premises across Maharashtra, and Income Tax Department at that point of time had said that these income or the wealth was not disclosed by Ajit Pawar and his family members and also by his close aides. Now, after these searches in November 2021, the Income Tax Department, under the Prohibition of Benami Transaction Act, attached assets worth thousands of crore rupees. Now, this matter then went to the Educating Authority, and then in December 2022, the Educating Authority, in fact, did not uphold the attachment order of the Income Tax Department.
All right, Bhavtosh, there seems to be some audio trouble. We're not clearly able to understand what you are saying, but certainly it's a big relief, as we were telling you viewers, which has come Ajit Pawar's way. Now, talking about the politics and the fallout of the same, the opposition has now responded to the relief which has come Ajit Pawar's way. Now, it's Uddhav Sena or the Uddhav Shiva Sena which believes that this decision is on expected lines, and they have said, and I quote, that the NDA is a washing machine. So once again, they've held a washing machine jibe at the NDA, and they've said, and I quote verbatim, NDA washing machine is once again in operation. Listen in to the latest reaction.
ये क्लीन चिट तो मिलनी ही है ना, प्रफुल्ल भाई पटेल को मिली, अजीत दादा पवार को मिली, अब नवाब मलिक को मिलेंगी। बात ऐसी है कि 1000 करोड़ की बेनामी संपत्ति उनकी जब्त हो गई थी, लेकिन बीजेपी में चले गए। प्रफुल्ल भाई पटेल की प्रॉपर्टी मुक्त हो गई, मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग का धब्बा निकाल दिया, वॉशिंग मशीन में डाल दिया, 300 करोड़ की प्रॉपर्टी फ्री कर दी। अजीत दादा पवार कल शपथ ली बीजेपी के साथ मोदी जी के उपस्थिति में, 2 या 3 दिन में ईडी इनकम टैक्स ने उनकी प्रॉपर्टी क्लियर कर दी।
The BJP has hit back at the opposition, and we have a breaking reaction coming in. BJP is hit back at the opposition, and they are reminding them about how some of these cases were also cleared when Uddhav was in power, and hence this has nothing to do with who's in power or who's in the government.
ऐसा नहीं होता। उद्धव जी जब थे तब भी अजित दादा की एक केस निकाली गई, तो पावर के वजह से हुई क्या? ये पावर का क्या संबंध है? देखो, इस पे निर्णय करने वाली जी संस्थाएं होती है, वो संस्थाएं अपने आप में निर्णय करती है, उसको पावर से नहीं जोड़ना चाहिए, ऐसा उन्होंने कहा है। तो मुझे लगता है कि ऐसा कोई नहीं है।
All right, a war of words between the Uddhav Sena and the BJP over clean chit or relief for Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. We'll keep an eye on the story. As of now, slipping into a short commercial break.